Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Aussie's channel. My name is Lynn Kate and I'm a beauty and lifestyle content creator, and today I'm here to show you this awesome half up bun and half down hairstyle. So if you're ready to amp up your curly hairstyle, just keep watching. Okay, so what we're going to do first is wet our hair, not really towards the bottom just yet, but just the top for now. I'm going to take my Miracle Curls cream pudding and I'm going to apply it on the top of my hair and then brush it. That way we can have like a nice foundation when we're doing the little bun. I'm going to take about this much and smooth it on the top of my hair. This pudding is very hydrating and it works as a good product to lay down your hair. It works really well. You do not need a gel, you just need this product and you'll be good. So with my fingers, I'm just going to divide the top of my hair. This part of my hair looks pretty much good and flat and nice, but I'm just going to get a little bit more product, just a teeny bit, and apply some more just to make sure we're good. Now I'm going to wrap my hair in the hair tie. I'm going to just tie it around as tight as we can. Once you have your ponytail already, we're going to twist it. Then we're going to just wrap it around. So cute. And then we're going to use either a clip or a bobby pin. We're just going to pin it, bobby pin it. Oh, got stuck in my hair. Curly hair problems. All right, let's try this again. So we're just going to pin it with the bobby pin. That way it just stays in place and it's not, going to look crazy. If you want, you can leave your hair like the way it is. You don't have to refresh it, especially if it doesn't look crazy. Like, of course, my hair doesn't look super moisturized because I haven't refreshed it at all. But this is the look. I feel like a lot of people do this look where it's just puffy. I think I'm going to refresh it just a little bit. I'm going to wet a tiny bit like that. And then just tap on the product, that way I don't get too much. Just smooth it on very gently, very slightly. As you can see, it automatically just gives it some shine. It hydrates it. But again, I'm not applying too much because that's not the look that I'm going for. I just want a little bit of shine, a little bit of hydration. So because I'm feeling very fancy right now, I'm actually going to spray some Aussie Glitzy Pink glitter spray. I like that the glitter is very subtle because it doesn't look tacky. It doesn't look like, oh my goodness, she has a lot of glitter on her hair. It just looks like a touch of glitter and that's it. So I really like that it's very subtle. Alright guys, so that concludes this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe to Aussie's channel down below. Follow me on Instagram at Lynn Kate, and all the products will be linked in the description box. That way you guys can check it out and recreate this look. It's so fun, it's nice, it's a little bit different. You can refresh your hair like this. You don't have to do your hair all over again. You can do this quick half up bun, half down hairstyle and you're ready to go. Bye guys, have a wonderful day.